Hey mates, welcome to Tech Solutions, your tech guide. Do you want to install Google Chrome browser on OpenSUSE Tumbleweed? Let's do. In this video we will be guiding you to install Google Chrome browser with the most recent and updated build on your OpenSUSE Linux. Let's begin. Open Terminal app on your distro. Add the Google Chrome repository with this shown command. Done adding it? Now grab the Google Linux signing in key from official Google source. It's time to add it to our OpenSUSE distro. This can be added and imported as shown. Now update your package cache as shown. You can install Google Chrome with this simple install command now. This may take a while to download the required packages for Google Chrome. Please have patience during this. Please be assured that this command will install the most recent and updated version of Google Chrome on your OpenSUSE Tumbleweed and it's updatable. It's installed wisely. You may start Google Chrome from within the terminal as shown. You can also find Google Chrome on your OpenSUSE application menu. Anything to ask? Comment it. Thanks for watching. Good day.